What is up, guys? It's your boy, Mrs. I'm getting domesticated. We are gonna be playing Akinater. We're gonna be trying to defeat him. Let's go! We defeated Pac-Man with his clothes. Actually, to completing Fireboy and Water Girl. We almost completed Celestina. Forget about that. Okay, I jumped so hard. Okay, let's do. Wait, then I have to. Let's play some Akinator. Moving right along. Characters, objects, animals. Characters. Okay, guys, we are gonna be choosing. What am I gonna choose? Braden Holtby. Let's do this thing. Does your character really exist? Has your character really existed? Yes. Is your character's gender female? No. Is your character a YouTuber? I don't know. I'd be. Does your character create music? Don't know. Is your character an actor? Don't know. Is your character less than 25 years old? How old is Braden Holtby? Moving right along, singing life on the highway. September 16th, 1989. That's my phone. Move right back, mate. Moving right along, singing life on the highway. I know. Sorry, guys, for that really bad interruption. Stop it! Just got spammed. You can't see it. Stop! Come on. Just got spammed. Stop! Okay, you guys can't see. I'm sorry. Moving right along, technical difficulties. Okay, I can't edit that out because I don't in the mood. Okay, this guy is definitely not under 25. I know that for sure. No. Is your character British? He's age 29. Yeah, he wasn't. No. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off, dude. Is your character white? That's so racist! Yes, he is. Is your character a wrestler? Don't know. Is your character animated? No. Does your character have big eyes? No. Does your character go on vacations often? Oh, yes. Does your character live with their brother? Don't know. Is your character from Star Trek? Nope. Does your character appear in the Mario games? Nope. Does your character sing a song called Toxic? You know that you tank? No. What's your character born in Sweden? Moving life on the high. No, he wasn't born in Sweden. He's from Canada. I'm so stupid. No. Don't know. Is your character more than 4 years old? No. Does your character wear a beret? What is a P? Sorry guys, I ain't saying my age. You thought, you stalkers out there, you thought you'd get my age? No. No. Not happening. Okay, all my people that are watching this are probably historical. Like what? Abraham Lincoln subscribed to my channel. Okay? Don't mess with me. Because I got instant inbox. Okay, I'm just looking around my screen and seeing what I googled up. I didn't Google up Abraham Lincoln. That would just be creepy. Not creepy, but like, who watches his assassination? Okay, this video is 6 minutes. What am I doing? No. Does your character sing on the stage? No. Character? Probably not. Does your character come from the internet? No. Does your character play in movies? No. Is your character on a popular TV show? No. Your future husband? Is your character interested in fashion? Don't know. Have same parents as? Does your parents have the same characters as your? Do you have the same parents as your character? What? Is your character less than 18? No. Does your character play Hearthstone? No. Is your character from YouTube? No. You already asked that! Is your character from 60 Seconds? No. Does your character use sign language? Don't know. Is your character an athlete? Does your character play hockey? Yes, dude! No. Is your character associated with Pittsburgh? No. What? What player does Leo and Stitch? What? I accidentally said. No. Is your character from Cars 3? No. Does your character use a jump rope? Yes. Is your character from the Mark side? No. Does your character have... Is your character associated with the color red? Yes. Does your character have something to do with fire? Probably. Is your character European? Nope. Is your character ever been... No. Does your character have flames? Nope. Roast people? No. Is your character connected to Chicago? Nope. Is your character... No. Is your character older than 18? Yes. That was a random player. Nah, Chief. Oh, go back. Breathe and hope me, boys. Wait, go back. Brayden. Moving right along. don't know what this is saying. Braden Holtby, description, very good goaltender. Corey X. Kenshin, Dan TDM, all those people did not get a first try. I defeated Pac-Man. I defeated Akinater. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I just randomly grabbed this toy. Let's go. Let's go. You are now joining my background. Moving right along. Let's go! Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did. It's definitely over my time limit. Peace out. I defeated you, mate. I defeated you. How do you feel? This guy's a chump.